Just a quick demo showing my Arduino. Here's the relay here. Here's a 9-volt powering the Arduino. Got a door unlocking mechanism, shall I say, and a keypad. So if you keep an eye on the actual bit of code in. That's all working. This door mechanism takes up to 18 volts, so I've got two 9 volts because one 9 wasn't enough because the battery was sort of flat, so I just added another one. But yeah, the pins are basically the standard keypad pins there, and I'm using pin 13 for an LED, which is I'm just using the onboard LED, and pin 12 for the actual relay. It's active low instead of being active high, it's active low. So yeah, I had to change the code to get it to work, but yeah, there it is.